think recording is started now.
Yes, we can start.
Namaste and very good morning to one and all. Chief guest and key speaker of today's session, Honorable Prasad Koke, MD Sanjay Group of Industries, Founder and Director, Magic Aurangabad. Magic and Ankur Jika Incubation Center team and all enthusiastic participants. On behalf of Ankur Jika Incubation Center Foundation, AICF Aurangabad and Marathwada Accelerator for Growth and Incubation Council, Magic Aurangabad, I, Dr. Shilpa Kabra, feel privileged to welcome you all in today's session on Magic Head-On Project to Product program. Friends, India is working for a startup ecosystem of the youth, by the youth, for the youth. Attitude has changed from why don't you do a job, why a startup, to job is all right, but why not create your own startup? We have to set our goals for the next 5 years, and these goals should be that our startups, our unicorns should emerge as global giants and lead in the futuristic technologies. Rightly quoted by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi at Prarambh Startup International Summit 2021. The purpose of this session is to provide innovative Jika minds the platform to nurture and shape their ideas by providing proper mentoring, guidance, and support to work upon business ideas in emerging areas, to translate the project into a startup and eventually sustainable business. So, with this, I would like to call upon CEO of Magic, Mr. Rohit Auti, to brief about Magic.
Rohit has not yet joined.
Okay.
He was busy with other work.
So, Kshitij sir?
Yeah, sure. Prasad sir, would you like to?
You can brief Kshitij, you or Rohit, and then we can have someone from JK principal or Sushma ma'am, and then we will start.
My mic. Jika can go first, then I go again. Mr.
Okay. Sushma ma'am, can you brief about Ankur?
Yes. Dear Prasad sir, I will add one more, like Kabra madam has rightly given your introduction, but I'll add one more word to it, that you are alumnus of Government College of Engineering, Aurangabad. We cannot forget that. Yes, sir. Very happy to interact with you. Mr. Kshitij Chaudhary and team of Magic Aurangabad and students of Government College of Engineering, Aurangabad. This is a project to product program for which we are going to invite students to develop projects which may lead to product later on. But here I will like to point out that 2 incubation centers, Magic Aurangabad and Ankur Jika Incubation Center Foundation, which is a Section 8 non-profit organization of Government College of Engineering, Aurangabad, and presently it is also supported by Government College of Engineering, Aurangabad. The incubation center, we started its activities from January 2008, as most of you must be aware about it. And later on, it was registered as a Section 8 company in November 2019. The scenario post November 2019 isn't very good, but now we are going towards neo-normal situations where we have learned to adapt to COVID pandemic. We are trying to take precautions and proceed. With this intention, we are trying to increase our activities and that's why Magic and Ankur Jika has come together to go ahead with this activity. Basically, this particular startup cell was initiated to convert projects to products. Normally, it so happens that students develop their projects, but later on they are not converted into products. So this was the main intention of starting up Ankur Jika Incubation Center. We are trying to develop an ecosystem in and around Aurangabad, Marathwada region, where students or any other alumni or any other person like faculty also can come forward and start developing their startup. They will be supported through mentoring, through some connections to different financial institutions if required, and we'll try to build a system in which, like, there are many incubation centers which are doing presently very, very good. But for us, like, we are putting baby steps right now. We want to take major leaps, and at least by the year end, like calendar year end, I'm talking about, at least we will try to have one startup and see, because I'm not trying to be over ambitious right now, but later on by the end of this academic year, at least 3 startups, some 3 student projects can be converted into startups. And that's why we, Ankur Jika and Magic are coming together, and hope so everything happens good in future. Thank you very much, everyone. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Rohit Auti, sir. Now,
Yeah. I would represent on behalf of Rohit. This is Hitesh Chaudhary, manager with Magic. We, Marathwada Accelerator for Growth and Incubation Council, is a 4 years old incubation center. We are one of the kind incubator, which is like the apex bodies Chamber of Marathwada Industries and Agriculture Association. Our incubator is not been hosted with an institution. This is an industrial incubator. We have incubating startups from Bhopal, Pune, Python, and many more parts from Kolkata, and many more parts from India. We have supported 50 plus startups. We have given 400 plus hours of mentorship. We have validated around 150 plus ideas. Magic had supported 8 startups through seed fund. We have conducted 40 plus workshop entrepreneurship development programs. We have accumulated around CR for the startups. 40 plus employment has been generated directly plus indirectly by Magic. Magic has hosted 3 innovation challenge where we screened around 600 ideas. We have 18 MOUs with our ecosystem partners, and which has been going on. We have 300 plus students or startups, SMEs. We have reached with the Magic initiatives. We have filed 4 patents. So this is Magic, and we are here to support with Ankur Jika and New Heights. Thank you for myself.
And thank you, Kshitij, sir. It is my distinct honor to introduce you our today's chief guest and distinguished speaker, Honorable Prasad Koke, MD Sanjay Group of Industries, having 8 manufacturing plants across country. With major contribution of his business comes from auto part manufacturing. They have established good name in energy efficient cooking appliances and IoT based manufacturing management as well. Sir is founder and director of Magic Aurangabad and active member of Chamber of Marathwada Industries and Agriculture, CII, Maharashtra Chamber of Industries and Agriculture, and MASIA. Sir has done his bachelor's in electrical engineering, Government College of Engineering, Aurangabad, and postgraduate diploma in business management, BBM, with rich experience in manufacturing by working with Garware Polyester Limited, Bemco, Nath Group, Badwe Group before entering in entrepreneurship. He is associated with various academic institutions in Aurangabad like Saraswati Bhuvan, Government Engineering College, MIT Engineering College in various capacities. He is actively involved in mentoring startups and second generation entrepreneurs. He is member of various national forums like CLEAN, ICCF and Skill Council for Green Jobs. He is director in various social organizations like Environmental Research Foundation, Marathwada Environmental Care Cluster. Teaching, reading, innovations are his area of passions. We are honored by your presence, sir. Now, I kindly request Prasad Koke, sir, to take the charge of this session and kindly guide our innovative minds.
Thank you, Shilpa ma'am, for nice introduction. Thank you, Sushma ma'am, for giving this opportunity. And my colleagues, Kshitij, Rohit, Krishna, for organizing this one of its kind, Head On by Magic. I am thankful to Government Engineering College Aurangabad, JECA, for producing the person like me. I am alumni of this college and proud that I have learned very good value system from my teachers, gurus and my colleagues. बदमाश लोकांकडनं खूप चांगल्या गोष्टी गव्हर्नमेंट इंजिनिअरिंग कॉलेजमध्ये शिकलो, म्हणून असं इंट्रोडक्शन करण्याची संधी मला मिळाली, ज्याच्यामध्ये दिसतंय की मी बऱ्याच ऑर्गनायझेशनशी निगडित आहे. सो आय वॉन्टेड टू गिव्ह एम्फसिस that an entrepreneur can do everything whatever he feels like. When he is an entrepreneur, restrictions are very low and he can perform on various grounds. That's why I do not hesitate to get an introduction, because students like you must understand the difference between entrepreneur and employee or a professional. So I always insist that entrepreneur shall introduce himself as variety of subjects that he handles, so that it can be an encouragement. Many times we go unidirectional in our profession, but these things are open for an entrepreneur. So why entrepreneurship? A lot of things. But today, my team has given me a difficult task to convert this head into some thoughtful head for the students. So about 130 plus participants, and that too young and innovative minds. I am actually pressurized with the presence, and I am sure that I will able to take you a journey which will be not only encouraging but having good humor. सो बोर होने वाला पीरियड पक्का नहीं होगा, या पहले ही बोल देता हूं. और 45 मिनट से ऊपर बोलूंगा नहीं, ये भी पहले ही बोल देता हूं. तो इसलिए क्लास में से भाग के जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. क्लास में 45 मिनट सुनना और फिर निकल जाना, टू टेक समथिंग गुड विच यू कैन ऑलवेज नरिश इन योर करियर. सो आई विल स्टार्ट विद द सब्जेक्ट. सो मेरे टीम ने ये हेड ऑन कर दिया है. आई डोंट नो हेड ऑन का मतलब. हम जब बोलते हैं तो हमें लगता है हमें फाइटिंग करनी है, हेड ऑन लेना है, हेड ऑन कुछ करना है. तो बहुत बार लगता है देयर इज समवन टू हुम आई शुड बी कॉन्फ्लिक्टिंग, और आई शुड बी डूइंग समथिंग विच इज लाइक डेसिपेटिंग सम एनर्जी. यस, ये हेड ऑन ऐसे ही होता है. सो माई टीम मस्ट बी एक्सपेक्टिंग दैट हेड ऑन, कि प्रॉब्लम के साथ हेड ऑन लो ताकि कुछ प्रोजेक्ट बन पाए, और प्रोजेक्ट के साथ हेड ऑन लो ताकि वो प्रोडक्ट बन पाए, और प्रोडक्ट से एंटरप्राइज की जर्नी तय हो जाए. सो एवरीबडी इन द स्टूडेंट्स लाइफ इज ड्रीमिंग मेरा खुद का कुछ हो. सो पर्सनल आइडेंटिटी, पर्सनल एक्नॉलेजमेंट एंड पर्सनल एप्रिसिएशन is very much required for any human being. So when we say that, we understand during our education of typically 4 years for graduation or 3 years for diploma, And after that, we tend to get into two lines. One, management, like MBA सेक्टर में हम मैनेजमेंट कोर्सेज लेने की कोशिश करते हैं, और दूसरा होता है हम एकेडमिक्स में या रिसर्च में जाना चाहते हैं तो गेट के थ्रू हम फर्दर एजुकेशन के लिए जाते हैं, और तीसरा ये दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन विच इज वेरी प्रिवेलिंग एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग, हम MS करने देश के बाहर जाते हैं. So all these three directions are true, right, and very much required. So I'll not criticize on that. You students must do that. But while doing these 4 years of journey, I am sure something we need to think out of box, something we need to cultivate as our habit out of box, or सबसे important to see around and observe. We do many experiments during our school days, college days, and engineering days, and their observations are very important, but normally observations are copy paste. We don't see, we don't observe, we just take either from something or friend, notebook, or ready-made projects available, practicals available, and we copy paste. My humble request to all the students, just stop that and try to see and observe wherever possible. So why to observe? So all our actually entrepreneurship journey, project journey, innovation journey, whatever you call, is a starting point starts with seeing, observing, typically observing the changes, abnormalities, or normalities, whatever we see as observation, and we must have a habit to record these observations. And that's why from the studentship of 8, 9, 10, we have an experiments where it starts with what is your experiment, what apparatus you require, what is the content of the experiment, and then very strong part, observation. And from that observation, you need to derive conclusion or conclusions. But this methodology we always forget in practical exams, and there itself we start something doing different, and then this habit doesn't get cultivated into our practical life or in our professional life or in our studentship further. So I always insist for everyone, in spite of any age, we must start seeing around and observe, and typically observe abnormalities first, normalities second, and those which are changing from abnormality to normality or from normality to abnormality. Why these changes are important? Because you can always see the technologies developed in a year which is declared as top 10 technologies. Out of these top 10, 6 or 7 are nature inspired innovations or technologies. So if you really want to develop your nature, to develop a technology, develop a product or an enterprise, this is beginning that you should start observing. So today we are passing through a post-pandemic, I will not say endemic, still there is a fear of third wave. I always pray God that this fear can be only fear, and such third wave shall not appear into the humankind. So always positive that it will not happen. But during that, we are also passing through a rainy season. So I'll start giving an examples where you should be able to see, अरे ये तो हमने देखा है, हम तो ये रोज देखते हैं, but हमारे thoughts में register नहीं होता है. So I'll do that. So whenever you see around, you observe, you record, I am sure you will identify some problems and some thoughts on those problems. So it is always a thought coming to our mind to solve that problem. It is a human nature that we can't live with the problem. We tend to overcome a problem, any problem. So there are very low population of a person, those who wanted to live in a problem. All shall try for solving a problem. Then after observation and after thoughts, you always think that there are some potential solutions to it. There are some potential ideas how that solution can be achieved. So you need to register, record those observation to potential ideas with the potential solution. And after processing, I am sure you will come out with some select ideas, some 1, 2, 3 potential ideas which are selected. And if you are able to select those ideas, and if you mix up with the thoughts, I am sure you can draft a problem statement, and also you can draft an abstract of your potential solution with the product or with the service. So if you are able to write a problem statement, if you are able to draft a potential service or a product abstract of it, then I am very sure you can able to sketch it, because we are engineers. We know the use of pencil or today a CAD CAM solutions. So we know 3D drawings, 2D drawings, we know 3D modeling. So if at all that thought of product or a service comes to my mind, I am using a word shall, either sketch it or make a drawing which is called 2D drawing, or able to make a 3D model out of it. So if these three or either one of these three, then the start of actually process of design thinking starts. So can we able to reach to that stage and then think? Sometimes the best idea can convert into IPR, can convert it into services, can convert into a product. And such identified product or identified services, can that be my project for final year, third year, second year, first year, irrespective of whatever year I am in, or post engineering? Can it be my project? And if I am able to make that as project, then project brief, project description, and then project's prototype can happen automatically with passion and with energy. And if I want to develop that product or service as a project, normally engineering projects are with 2 or 3 or 4 students, many times more than 5+ students. Why this is 4, 5? We need to have a heterogeneous group which will add value. And I always insist that there shall not be electrical projects, there shall not be mechanical projects, there shall not be electronics project or a computer project. The project shall be consist of all disciplines, 2 from mechanical, 1 from electrical, 1 from computer, 1 from electronics, either 1 from civil, to add this heterogeneity into the group, different thoughts, so that product or service can become more strong and more viable and more affordable. So always try to get a group and convert that group as a heterogeneous group, preferably, and then start working on it. So if that project can become your product, I am sure from Ankur, you will get a good mentoring, good guidance, and with the help of ecosystem partner like Magic, you will get a further journey of incubation to prototyping, to product validation, to pilot plant production, and then to the sales and marketing, and then scale up. Everything after your incubation is actually called as startup. With your idea, you cannot be treated or having a status of startup, but with idea, with design thinking, a journey, into the product or services, and then you can have your own registration into DIPP or into the patent IPR, then I am sure your startup will be acknowledged. You can be founder, you can be co-founder, or you can be a member of the team where this startup can function, and all these startup can grow to a unicorns or few Microsoft, few Googles, or few WhatsApp of the nation or for the globe. So all this journey is possible with a small baby step, observing around. So how you will observe? So today we are passing through a rainy season. अच्छा है कि आज बारिश नहीं है, वरना मैं आपको बारिश में बाहर जाके भी लाने की कोशिश करता था. Because of this pandemic, actually we are talking virtually, but I would love to be a part of physical interaction of this head on. So when we say head on, is it fighting with the problems, taking journey from this observation to a product? What is head on? In my opinion, head on is always we carry head on our body. We travel with entire thing. Maybe thought process is somewhere in a college, at home, at native, or some good friend, or with some best friends. But my head is always on the body. But is it on, or sometimes is it off, or is it partially on? Why head? Because when we say observation, my eyes are important, my nose are important, and my ears are important, and then my mouth, lips are important. But all these input devices has to be processed somewhere in my CPU, and when I start processing in my CPU, I need to store it in RAM, ROM, some memory, so that I can retrieve that whenever required, right? That's why this program's name is head on rakho bhai, on rakho, off mat rakho. It's a simple nomenclature of this head on program. So in these rainy seasons, I always wonder कि जब भी हम लोग घर से निकलते हैं कि सोच के निकलते हैं कि भाई मैं जब तक ट्रैवल कर रहा हूं बारिश ना आए, जब घर पे पहुंच जाऊं या कॉलेज पहुंच जाऊं तो बारिश आएगा तो चलेगा. These are all my wishful thinking when I start on a two-wheeler. Most of the students starts on a two-wheeler, either cycle, moped, bikes, scooters. So हेलमेट आजकल पुलिस पकड़ते हैं तो शायद हेलमेट पहनना पड़ेगा, लेकिन हेलमेट भी बहुत बार हम मिरर पे रख देते हैं बाइक के या स्कूटर के, ताकि वो प्रोटेक्ट हो जाए. हमारा सर प्रोटेक्शन की जरूरत नहीं, इट्स अ टफ, कोई जरूरत नहीं है हमें हेलमेट की, वो तो पुलिस के लिए हेलमेट लिया है, वरना हमें क्या जरूरत है. एंड देन सडनली समटाइम्स रेन स्टार्ट्स एंड वी देन रिमाइंड आवरसेल्फ कि मैंने आज छाता नहीं लिया है, रेनकोट नहीं लिया है, और अभी बारिश तेज हो गई है, नजदीक कहीं पे झाड़ है क्या, कहीं कवर्ड एरिया है क्या. अदरवाइज नाउअडेज flyovers are coming, so under the flyover it's a 100% protected area. जाके गाड़ी लगा देना, बाकी ट्रैफिक का जो होगा ट्रैफिक देखेगा. मैं तो बारिश से बच रहा हूं under a flyover or under a tree. And then we engineers know that if in a rainy season बिजली आती है और कभी कभी वो झाड़, because of that area में it is the highest point, it starts with the top of the tree and it gets grounded just below your feet and some bad things happens. और कभी कभी हम बारिश में नीचे झाड़ के रुकते हैं लेकिन भीग जाते हैं पूरा. और we know the umbrellas are protection. Umbrellas are actually treated as PPE, personal protective equipment during rainy season and sometimes in summer season. वी ऑल्सो नो दैट कि ये अम्ब्रेला अगर लेंगे, हम छाता लेंगे और पैदल चलेंगे तो हम कुछ हद तक बच सकते हैं। और हमें पता है कि एक अम्ब्रेला एक के साथ ही प्रोटेक्ट करता है। आजकल थोड़े बड़े अम्ब्रेला निकले जिसमें शायद गुड 2 फ्रेंड्स और very good 3 friends can get accommodated, but beyond 3 not possible। उस समय हम सोचते हैं कि अरे यार ये अम्ब्रेला बड़ा होता तो अच्छा होता है यार, मेरा वो दोस्त है उसको भी ले लेते, भीग रहा है मेरा बेचारा, वो उसको जगह नहीं मिल रही है तो हम संभाल लेते थे। लेकिन आर वी एबल टू थिंक बियॉन्ड प्रोटेक्टिंग मी, माय गुड फ्रेंड, माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स, कि हम ऐसी एक अम्ब्रेला तैयार करें जो एटलीस्ट 50 लोगों को प्रोटेक्ट कर पाए। फिर बोलेंगे नहीं सर वो आप तो कहानियां सुना रहे हो, विंड प्रेशर होता है, ये एक हवा इतनी आ रही है कि ये छाता संभालते संभालते उल्टा हो जाता है, कुछ फायदा नहीं होता कभी कभी हवा चल रही है तो। और वो सॉल्यूशन जो निकला है आज कि उल्टा छाता खुलता है। यू मस्ट हैव सीन, फ्यू ऑफ यू मस्ट हैव सीन कि पहले हम छाता ऐसे ऊपर नीचे से ऊपर करते थे तो ऐसा डोम तैयार होता था। अभी हम नीचे से ऊपर नहीं करते, ऊपर से नीचे करते हैं तो डोम तैयार होता है, लेकिन ऊपर से ऐसा तैयार होता है, नीचे से ऊपर नहीं, ऊपर से नीचे, बिकॉज वी नीड टू गेट दैट व्हाइल एंटरिंग इनटू द कार। वो ऊपर से आराम से अंदर आना चाहिए, तो वो ऐसे नहीं होता है, ऐसे होता है, खुलता है। सो कैन वी डिजाइन अ अम्ब्रेला विच कैन प्रोटेक्ट 50 to 100 people? Can we install such umbrella on a post on a road where there are no trees, or on a tree trunk? वो जो एक छाता होता है गोल, बहुत बार हम ये मोबाइल बेचने वाले, फल बेचने वाले देखते हैं हम लोग, इतना एक 3-4 लोगों के लिए होता है। कैन इट बी बियॉन्ड दैट? एंड कैन यू होल्ड एरोडायनामिक्स, जिसको हम बहुत अच्छे से फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स बोल के भी जानते हैं? Can we have organized pressures and flow of these fluids which we call as air or sometimes water as well? And can we install such umbrella on a road where whenever there is a sudden spring, someone can go just below that on the vehicle and stay there for a protection? Just think and go to your nearest umbrella repair shop wala. He will give a nice idea कि इतना बड़ा करना है तो क्या क्या करना पड़ेगा। And if we are able to do such project during our graduation, I am sure such project can convert into either a product and you can manufacture those umbrellas and sell across the nation, or you can install such umbrellas during rainy season as a service, and that service can be rendered to smart cities, municipal corporations, gram panchayats, or many local governments on a monthly basis, on a weekly basis. Can these services be important, affordable? Can I do that as a project? So that's a simple observation to project to product possibility with a design thinking. And then you will say sir ये possible नहीं है, बकवास कर रहे हैं। I am sure within next decade we will have such product into the market made by China, Korea, and then we will always think as an Indian mind we missed the bus। ये तो बहुत आगे है सर, ये तो रास्ते पे अभी बेच रहे हैं, इतना सस्ता बेच रहे हैं कि आज हम शुरुआत करेंगे तो वो प्रोडक्ट उतने रुपये में नहीं बेच पाएंगे। बट कैन वी थिंक डिफरेंट कि आज ही उसको चालू करें और हम भी चाइना एक्सपोर्ट करें? गिव अ थॉट, गिव मटेरियल स्पेसिफिकेशन। कार्बन फाइबर बहुत आगे है, लॉन्ग फाइबर प्लास्टिक बहुत आगे है, विच आर लाइट वेट, फ्लेक्सिबल वन, टूटेंगे नहीं, लाइक अ स्पोक ऑफ अम्ब्रेला, वो टूट जाता है, रिपेयर करना पड़ता है, लाइक अ क्लॉथ ऑफ अम्ब्रेला, पहले फट जाता था हवा से, अभी ऐसे क्लॉथ आए हैं कि वो फटेंगे नहीं। So can we have a mix of these knowledge domains into a product which is very useful, which can come out as your observation and problem and can become your college project, which has a potential for Ankur to nurture such startup that can convert into a product which can have a potential to enterprise. And we have in our Auric one company called Umbrella for You or Umbrella for All. This can be name of your company. So this can be a journey which can be obtained or can be designed as a person from observation to problem solving attitude to material to assemblies to installation and commissioning to validation and to serve the nation to the population. And always the Mahaguru late C.K. Prahlad always insisted on कि बेस पोर्शन ऑफ द पिरामिड बॉटम पोर्शन ऑफ द पिरामिड के लिए सर्विसेज क्रिएट करो, अफोर्डेबल सर्विसेज क्रिएट करो, यू विल बी द बेस्ट एम्प्लॉयर एंड बेस्ट एंटरप्रेन्योर इन द वर्ल्ड. एंड वी हैव लर्नड इट व्हाट्सएप, गूगल, फेसबुक, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, Zomato, Flipkart, and today's Amazon. All these are to the services of many population. Zomato के पास कुछ प्रॉपर्टी नहीं, एक रेस्टोरेंट भी नहीं है, बट सर्विस देते देते वो इतना बड़ा हो गया, इतना शेयर उसका बड़ा हो गया. So can you give service to the base portion of the pyramid of a population which has 135 crore? So you just think कि कितना पॉपुलेशन में हम ये स्प्रेड कर सकते हैं. How my product can be or service can be extended to maximum so that I can earn so much that I live a life. पूरा जो पैकेज है ना, जो आप लोग बहुत प्राउडली कितना पैकेज है बोलते हैं, वो अगर 60 साल से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे ना तो भी 35 साल के उम्र में हम इकट्ठा कर सकते हैं. If we go by innovation, enterprise, and making that enterprise as one of the biggest. So this is one idea. Another idea in this rainy season came to my mind while I was traveling कि बारिश होती है, बहुत तेज बारिश होती है, पानी रास्ते पे बहता है, टेरेस से बाहर आता है, all roofs are leaking and flowing, and we say Aurangabad don't have water every day because our Mahanagarpalika is not doing anything. Our corporators are very corrupt. Our officers are not good. अरे भाई, जब बारिश हो रही है तो पानी तो इकट्ठा करो ना. रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग. Harvesting is a big word, always attached to a public or a social domain. Can we personalize this? Like I took an idea of personal protective umbrella to a community. Can we take this rainwater harvesting from community to personal? मेरे छत का पानी जो छत पे गिरने से पहले ही हवा में मैं अगर कलेक्ट कर लूं, and can I do that collection into a tank, or if I able to test the properties of rainwater, is it potable, or can I feed to a filter and make it potable? So can I store that as a drinking water? Can I store that as utility water? For how many days? For how many hours? And can that add to a water with me by Mahanagarpalika twice a week, thrice a week, 4 times a week, either in rainy season, at least in rainy days? Is that thought coming to my mind? Then I can say, sir, कितना पानी आएगा? सर, पानी बारिश कितनी होती है औरंगाबाद में? पूरे साल भर में मिलके 750-800 mm बारिश होती है. और अगर 800 mm बारिश होती है तो सर कितना पानी जमा होगा? But if we calculate as an engineer, if 1 centimeter of rain on a surface area of say 100 square meter, how much rain we can collect, how much water we can collect, and how we can increase the area. हम लोग सब देखते हैं कि जब भी जाएंगे मुंबई में, पुणे में, तो एक बलून्स होते हैं जो एडवर्टाइज के लिए हवा में ऊपर छोड़ते हैं, उसको बांध के रखा जाता है नीचे एक पोल के साथ जो ट्रक पे होता है, मूविंग है। और ये अगर कंसेप्ट हम लेके उसको कहेंगे कि कैन दैट थ्रेड बी अ फ्लेक्सिबल पाइप for which I can make a funnel-like structure above my terrace, above my college roof, and can I collect if there is a 1 centimeter of rain, how much collection I can make, and with this collection, how much water I can spend either a day, 2, 3, 4, whatever. So if we are able to do that, I think that will be another idea which will be derived from observation, coming from community rainwater harvesting to a personal rainwater harvesting to a business idea of collecting this. And can I make these flexible pipes? Can I make that flexible umbrella like structure, but inverted umbrella like structure, which will make a collection area more? Can I collect that water directly into a syntax tank? From that syntax tanks, can I filter and use at my home or at my college or at my hostel? So we always talk कि sunroof चाहिए, solar system चाहिए, terrace आजकल बहुत busy हो गया है. So can we make more busy and advantageous with this idea? So this is second idea which I wanted you to think over and then give a thought that can it be a college project, 6 months, 1 year, 3 months, no harm with 10 people, or with multiple teams for the same problem. Can we get 3 products? Can we get 10 products, 10 ideas? All welcome, because it's a nature. It will be a survival of fittest. So which idea affordable to the public will be fittest and that will survive and grow. Other can merge into it or can think of another idea. So this collection of rainwater for potable or for utility, these are 2 solutions and 1 project can be done with that. Then we always see कि जब भी storm water होता है, बारिश बहुत तेज होती है, जब हम बोलते हैं कि यार आज 2 घंटे में 3 inches of paus rains या 7.5 centimeter of rains, और वी से क्लाउड बर्स्ट हो गया और आज इतनी तूफानी बारिश हो गई, मैं तो घर में था, 1 घंटा कुछ नहीं कर पाए, कुछ टीचर्स क्लास नहीं ले पाए, इतनी जोर से बारिश हो रही थी. एंड देन वी सी कि रास्ता नदी बन जाती है या रास्ते के किनारे जरूर नदी बन जाती है. एंड देन वी टेंड कि यार रास्ता खराब हो गया, आफ्टर दिस रेन बहुत सारे पॉट होल्स, रोड बह गया. So can we think of directions? और then we always observe कि रोड में डिवाइडर होते हैं, कंक्रीट के भी और आजकल पुलिस प्लास्टिक के भी लगाते हैं. So just imagine plastic के डिवाइडर. I am purposely not using PowerPoint presentation because that will give you a clear picture. I don't want to give you a clear picture. I wanted your imaginations to be stretched more and more. Your visualizations can be stretched more and more. तो ये रास्ते में जो एक प्लास्टिक के बैरिकेड्स होते हैं, प्लास्टिक के डिवाइडर्स होते हैं, can we design with a engineering angle to it so that all these can be put in such a fashion that it can become a flood direction where direction towards a rainwater harvesting, direction towards a open land, so that that can be a rainwater harvesting for the area. What will happen with this? With this, we can able to revive our bore wells or open wells, or sometimes the streams that will go into the rivers. So all these ideas are just possible with a thought कि मेरे दिमाग में ये आइडिया आते रहता है, इनोवेटिव होता रहता है, और आई एम एबल टू डेवलप माय विजन मेरा नजरिया to see the problem but not stop at that and crying कि बहुत प्रॉब्लम है यार हमारे औरंगाबाद में, the worst city to live. कब एक बार का एजुकेशन खत्म करता हूं और पूना जाता हूं, मुंबई जाता हूं, बेंगलोर जाता हूं, नोएडा जाता हूं या सीधा उड़ के यूएस यूरोप जाता हूं, ये दिक्कत नहीं आएंगी. All these problems will lead to innovative solutions which can convert your thought process to project to product, and with these product it is possible that innovation is a key for our region, and with these problems we can able to solve the societal problems as well as we can derive our product. So these are 3 or 4 ideas that I wanted to communicate and give a thought कि ये ऐसा हो सकता है with observation, with problem solving attitude, with engineering approach towards it, and with the heterogeneous group of chemical, mechanical, electronics, electrical, civil, all these branches, students and faculties can come together and give input to these ideas, and then these ideas can be converted into the design thinking process to your product. So all these 3-4 ideas you can deliberate on it, and whenever you come out with idea, if you are filing for IPR, I am the first idea owner, so my name should be there, and I am sure you will do it. You cannot cheat me because this session is recorded, and if you are able to do this idea separately as IPR, I can always, my team, Kshitij, Rohit, will always claim that this is not first time. Earlier it was in our session at Magic. So in all these IPR, Magic is owner of this idea, and you can take this idea forward, but you can make IPR out of this. This is a free hand from Magic from me to all of you. So with this, I am able to complete my session in 45 minutes. Kshitij and Sushma ma'am, I think I have completed in 45 minutes. And I am sure that this time management will take us to good listening abilities and good able to process it fast. So with this, I'll stop. And if at all there is a planning of question answer session, I am available for 10 minutes more. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for excellent and insightful talk. Students, if you have any questions, you may ask, or you can put your question in the chat window.
Those who want to ask any question, those can raise their hands here, so we can unmute them.
So during my session, someone was raising hand. I don't know forgot the name, but
Yes,
It was
Budhavan.
Vaishnavi Budhavant.
Yeah.
Vaishnavi?
वो गुस्सा हो गया, निकल गई क्लास से बाहर, उसको पूछने
Yes,
नहीं
yes. I think she had given her phone to someone else who was playing with it. Anybody else? Students, I expect few questions from your side. It's a golden opportunity to us.
So my humble expectation and requirement from Sushma ma'am, Shilpa ma'am, Kshitij, Rohit, and all the students, that if anyone can able to visualize, sketch or draw the solution to these 3-4 problems which I have narrated, I will give prize. Kshitij, आपके पास अगर कोई लेके आता है ना, तो उसको हम प्राइज देंगे.
Sure, sir.
It can be PRICE also, or it can be PRIZE also.
Girls and boys, something from your side. Advait,
कोई बात नहीं मैडम, बारिश में भीगने गए होंगे, सोच रहे होंगे कि बारिश में क्या क्या कर सकते हैं.
Sir, there is one question from Tejas. How to decide whether idea is applicable for IPR or not?
Yeah, I think the simple answer is we always think positive that all my ideas are IPR worth. Let the IPR authority says or determines the decision, but I should be claiming all my ideas as uniqueness in it. So it's very simple to go ahead. So we always say कि यार ये IPR बन सकता है क्या? Keep in mind बन सकता है. हम कौन होते हैं डिसीजन अथॉरिटी की नहीं बनेगा, वो तो डिसीजन मेकिंग अथॉरिटी बोलेगी, हम तो बोलेंगे क्लेम करेंगे यस इट इज वर्थ ऑफ मेकिंग एन एनी IPR.
True, that's true. We have to go ahead with it and later on. Devesh Korde is asking, is it good to validate your idea if if creating sales in small scale before actually registering? So I think,
yeah, for IPR registration, validation is always a good idea to have it with us. But for sales, we can always go as an incubation, and we always say that you can start small, as a small batches in small area, small city, small region, and then you can scale up.
Sir, there is one thing, like if they already sell their idea in market, then it is not, they cannot apply for patenting or registering as an IPR.
Yeah, if that product or services is already existing in the market, then naturally you cannot claim uniqueness in it.
What should be the difference between, Advait Kulkarni is asking, what should be the difference between a project and a product we have launched?
So always product is launched with the process of project. If it's a college project, yes, it will be treated as academic project. But if it is an industrial project, it is called as new product development. But it is always a project which will lead to a product which can be launched.
A project will lead to a product. Project goes through different testing phases, prototype development and all, and then finally you go ahead with the product.
Yes.
Anybody else?
It's always a concept, then to a prototype, then to a validation, and then to a pilot batch, and then to a mass production.
Why the students are in hurry to leave the session? I don't know. They should at least listen to question answers. It gives you. Yeah, sir, Devesh is asking, which is good, a service or a product?
I will give an example, very simple. If you have a product, then you have to manufacture and sell to earn your product profit, and you have to scale up to a level where you can sustain your profitability. But if it is a service, then you can earn on the same asset multiple times. So we have to decide on whether the product is easy to sell or whether service is easy to sell. But these days, it is always said in this 2021 that services can fetch you more money than selling a product. इसलिए Zomato और ये सब Facebook, Google, all these are service companies, no? So we have 1 minute more.
Devesh is asking, when we are starting, do we have to focus on one domain or multiple domains?
You can always start with minimum 3-4 ideas, and you can explore these 3-4 ideas with the design thinking process with a structured new product development or project management, and by doing this we will able to take a decision that which idea of these 2 3 4 can click the market more, and you can take this one idea further, keeping all these 2 3 ideas as a parking space in the parking space, because we never know that if this is clicked and go as a big success, then these three can go along with that as our new product or our new services, or other way around, if that doesn't click too much, we can have another idea in our pocket which can be explored to a next level.
Shilpak is asking, how can we convince people to join with us in our project? How to describe them our idea easily?
ये तो ड्रीम सेलिंग होता है भाई, कंसेप्ट सेलिंग होता है। आपको अपने दोस्तों को पहले पटाने आना चाहिए, आपके फैमिली को पटाने आना चाहिए कि एक दे दो 200-400 रुपया, 2-4 हजार रुपया कुछ एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए। पॉकेट मनी में करेंगे, 3-4 लोगों का पॉकेट मनी करते हैं, और हम हरदम करते हैं। सी इन अ गुड डे वी ऑलवेज गो टू दौलताबाद, चलो यार आइडिया ही बेचते हैं ना, चलो आज सब मिलके क्लास बंक करते हैं और दौलताबाद जाते हैं। इज दैट नॉट आइडिया दैट यू सेल टू योर फ्रेंड्स?
Yes, very
तो
much.
दैट्स द सेम आइडिया। अगर बोलते चलो आज मैडम को परेशान करेंगे, चारों पांचों सब क्लास में बैठेंगे, बहुत क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे आप, इज दैट नॉट आइडिया दैट यू सेल टू योर फ्रेंड्स?
Yes.
Similarly, you can do this idea also as a sales amongst your friends and family and take them on board.
Initial efforts are must. Pranav
Yeah.
is asking, there is a hype about Kickstarters. What is the difference between Kickstarters and incubation?
See, Kickstarters are गराज से जो शुरू होते हैं, जो अपने ही दिमाग से एक बंदा कुछ आइडिया लेके आता है और वो शुरुआत करता है, फिर 2-3 लोग उसके साथ जुड़ जाते हैं, और वो किकस्टार्टर्स डजंट अट्रैक्ट फॉर एनी स्ट्रक्चर्ड इंक्यूबेशन। सो वो खुद ही अपना चला लेते हैं और बहुत बार सक्सेस भी हो जाते हैं। लेकिन किकस्टार्टर्स में एकदम से जंप होके एक जर्नी थोड़ी देर ट्रैवल करके रुक जाने की संभावनाएं बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, क्योंकि उसको स्ट्रक्चर्ड मेंटरिंग नहीं मिलता है, स्ट्रक्चर्ड वे में उसको आगे जाने का रास्ता तय नहीं होता है। बट इन incubation centers take care for 12 to 18 months of initial journey, which is very important, and that's why that terminology is called as incubation, क्योंकि idea to product और to enterprise ये एक स्ट्रक्चर्ड वे में गया, उतने ही पेस से गया, तो sustainability is almost assured. That's why incubation is very important these days. Everyone has to go through an incubation process.
Ashit is asking, what are the minimum things to do for approaching to incubation center?
Minimum thing is you must have an idea which can solve some problem. You must able to write your problem statement, write your solution statement or a abstract, able to make sketch of it and go to any nearest incubation center, where
So-
you will be discouraged initially and then encouraged later.
Saurabh Katare, I think he has already completed his BE.
Acha.
How to move forward with the IPR registration?
Yeah, IPR is a process wherein you need to have your claims or your uniqueness to be registered with an attorney, and there are various IPR cells available in many incubation centers. Magic has also one of it, and they will bridge you to a proper person, proper authorities, wherein you can register your claims.
There are some formalities to be completed. They will
Yeah.
help you with it. Shilpak is once again asking, what is the difference between a startup and a business?
All businesses are initially a startup,
Yep.
and all starters have a potential to go to business corporate houses. So it's point A and point B. That's all.
Devesh, your question is slightly ruffling, like difficult to understand. But anyway, I'm trying to understand. What does it mean? He has put an exclamation mark. selling is equal
Yeah.
to success. Now idea is not working, but will do good in future because of already established business in your domain.
Yeah, perfect question. Does it mean selling? Yes. You need to have a revenue. You need to earn revenue and earn profit. Then only it is called as success. And if some ideas which are, we always say ahead of time, then you need to have some dormancy period or waiting period to get succeed. Or some products are in the market with big corporates but diminishing, like Kodak, Konica, ये सब diminishing product हो गए, और mobile has become a new product and new business in the same or the mixed domain. Hope you understand, Devesh. So, ma'am, I think we are through the time. Other
Yes.
questions can be compiled and share with Kshitij, wherein I will try to answer
Yes.
with the team,
We-
or my magic team will answer this. Thank you very much for the opportunity and participation.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. And I am quite sure that our students will think upon different problem statements and come up with their innovative solutions. And as already mentioned, Ankur and Magic together are there to convert their ideas into product. Also, as mentioned earlier by Agrawal ma'am, to have at least 3 startups by the end of this academic year. Students, let's join hands together to fulfill this dream very soon with your name highlighted with the startup. Right? So, moving towards the end of the session, vote of thanks. Krishna, are you there?
Yes, I'm here, ma'am. So, getting this honor to conclude this session. So thank you so much, everyone, especially Prasad Koke sir, for your valuable time to guide our students to convert their projects into product. Sir already have discussed the various ideas. So I request all students to participate in this competition and try to win prize by submitting your sketch or basic ideas. Then we will share the Google form in which you can share your ideas or sketch something. Or the next process of this head-on is after this session. Now it's your turn to submit your ideas, and regarding the idea submission, so multiple entries are allowed from the same students, and ideas can be submitted in Teams also, and you can submit it in any format. It can be a handwritten, in Word document, PPT, or whatever you want. The more the details, the better it is. The submission. So idea should be submitted within the 4 days. So we will circulate the Google form to collect the ideas, or you can also reply it on a mail on which you got the invitation of this session. So after that, we will select 5 to 10 ideas for project to product program. And one more thing is that you can submit any idea if you want other than this discussed problem statements here. So as sir have mentioned, so we can work on rainwater harvesting project. And if you have any other ideas regarding the smart city development of Aurangabad, so then you can contribute in that also. One of our faculty member, Dr. R.M. Damgir, is there in that committee in the smart city development. So we can help you to take your ideas to AMC. And then after selecting a few projects, they will get a co-incubation in Magic and AICF both. So with that, we will help you to graduate in co-incubation program and get your business in real market or startup in real market. So that's it. So thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, Kshitij sir, Kabra ma'am, Agrawal ma'am, and especially all the participants for nicely interacting in question and answer session. So thank you so much, everyone. With that, I would like to conclude this session.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you,
Thank
everyone.
you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Krishna, for the coordinating. Thank you, Shilpa ma'am. Thank you, Shishna ma'am. And thank you, Jit ma'am. Thank you.